Hello everyone, this is JD from Benchmark, and today I'm going to show you how to trim objects in MicroSurvey CAD. So I have this weird looking drawing right here, and I want to trim everything until only the outline remains. First, go up to the toolbar and click Edit. Move over to the right and click the triangle under Break. On this drop-down menu, click Trim. So MSCAD gives us the option to select which objects to trim. But honestly, it's way easier to just select everything. So just hit Enter at this point. Now all you have to do is select the parts that you want removed, either by clicking them or by clicking and dragging. On anything you select, MSCAD looks at intersections or potential intersections on either side and then removes everything between those points. And that's about it. Please consider liking and subscribing. It really helps us out. And if you have any questions about this video or about any others on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit our website at bench-mark.ca.